Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Laravel LMS system using free AI, and the free AI is OpenCode CLI. So I have generated prompt here, you can see through ChatGPT. So I will use this prompt in the OpenCode CLI, I mean command line interface AI extension, and then it will actually create complete project for me. I don't have to do any coding here. I'll just use this prompt. Okay, so we need to install something to actually create the project. So to create a Laravel project, we need a server. So we are going to use XAMPP. So go to the XAMPP. So let me show you what we need in this video. We need XAMPP. So you have to download XAMPP. Okay. So if you're from Windows, this is really simple. Just download the file and you have to install it. Okay, so click here download and then it will be downloaded and then just install it. If you're from Linux, what you have to do, you have to actually install it in a different way. I mean, we are going to use our XAMPP PHP as global variable. So what you have to do, you have to set XAMPP PHP globally. So I will suggest you to go with ChatGPT, and you have to ask that how you can actually install XAMPP in Linux, and then how you can set it, how you can set XAMPP PHP globally. Okay, ask this and then it will actually show you all the process. I'm not going to show you all the process, because if I show you all the process, maybe it will take 30 to 40 minutes till the project completion. So the video will be very long, right? I'll try to make the video as short as possible. So you have to download XAMPP, and after that you have to download Composer, and after that you have to download Node.js. So go for the Node.js and then download the latest version. Currently I'm using Linux, so it will show like this. What you have to do, you have to actually copy the whole code here. Okay, copy everything from here, go to the terminal and paste it, then it will be installed. But if you are from Windows, you have to select Windows and then you will find .msi. So download this and install it. Okay, simple. So I'm assuming that you can do this. Now we are going to use XAMPP. So if you're from Windows, you have to type XAMPP. If you press Windows button and then type XAMPP, then you will find XAMPP control panel. But if you're from Linux, it's a little different. You have to go to the file system and then OPT, then LAMP. Here you have to open terminal. You have to say ls to show all the list of files and folders. Now you need this file, so copy this file and say here sudo superuser do space dot slash, then no space, paste it. Hit enter, give the password. Here we go. Now we are going to start MySQL server and Apache, both server. Okay, we need to start both of them. Alright, here you can see running. So we are going to actually now minimize it, and we are going to actually create our project globally. Okay, so we can create anywhere in our PC. I'm going to create inside downloads folder. So here I'm going to create a folder at first, and I will say here LMS-AI. So this is my project folder. Inside this folder, I'm going to open terminal, and here I'm going to open OpenCode. But I haven't actually show you how you can install OpenCode CLI, right? So to install OpenCode CLI, what you have to do, you have to start a terminal. You can go with the new window terminal, and here you have to run a command, and that is npm I for the installation, then -g to install it globally, then OpenCode -AI at latest. This is the command you have to write down here, and then if you hit enter, then it will actually start installing, and maybe it will take some time, and then it will actually successfully installed in your PC. And after that, if you say OpenCode -version, you'll get the OpenCode version you have installed in your PC. Here you can see the version. Now I will open I'll go back to the folder where actually I want to create my project, and here I want to open terminal. You can see currently I'm inside downloads folder and then LMS-AI folder. Here I want to open OpenCode, so I'll say open code. I'll hit enter, then OpenCode will be open here. I'll maximize it, and here I'm going to write down what I need. So you can write down manually, everything what you need in your project, but I'll suggest you to go with a prompt. So what you have to do, you have to actually go to the browser and then go for a chatbot like ChatGPT, Gemini, any other chatbot. Then here you have to ask for a prompt. Mention everything related to your project and then ask for a prompt. Then it will give you a prompt. And I'm not going to share you this prompt because your project has your own criteria, right? So here I'm going to actually copy this prompt So basically what you have to do, you have to actually go through the prompt, and if you need to change anything, you have to mention and regenerate it. That's it. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go back to the OpenCode CLI command line interface, and here I'm going to paste it. You cannot paste anything through mouse. You have to use keyboard, and from the keyboard you have to press Ctrl plus V if you're from Windows. But if you're from Linux, you have to press Ctrl Shift plus V. So approximately 120 line pasted. Now we don't have to do anything here, just we have to hit an enter, and rest of the work will be done by this AI. It will create the complete project for you. You don't have to do any single thing. What you have to do, if you find any kind of error, or let's say if you face any issue, then you have to mention the issue or error specifically here, and then it will solve all the error. You don't have to do anything here. Okay, just mention all the problem. Okay, I will fast forward the video, and then when the project will be complete, I will be back. So guys, I can see it creates successfully the whole project for us. So what I'm going to do is, now we are going to go to the project directory, and in this case downloads, and then LMS AI, and here is the project. So we are going to open terminal here, and here we are going to say PHP artisan serve, and hit enter. Then server will be start here, you can see, and make sure you have start MySQL database and Apache web server. Okay, and now copy this. Okay, copy this. So we are going to copy this, and let's go back to the browser, and here we are going to paste it. Hit enter, and you can see this is the nice index page, and we have here registration and login button also, and wow, awesome. So we can actually go for the registration, and we can actually go for the login also. But the problem is the login and registration page style sheet not working. Okay, we'll fix this, but before that I want to actually log in. Okay, so I'll check that the login work initial works or not. So here you can see admin at lms.com. okay, so we'll actually log in as admin at first. So admin at lms.com. the password is password. So I'm going to log in, and here you can see our admin dashboard is actually working perfectly. I will actually mention here, you can see here, I'll say that login and registration page not style sheet or style is missing. Fix this. Okay, so it will actually now solve the issue. So like this, if you find any issue here, then you can actually mention here in this OpenCode CLI, and then it will actually solve up the issues. So here you can see we have a nice site, right? So that's it, guys. I have shown you how you can create such kind of website through this OpenCode CLI. I hope this video helps you. If so, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.